What's going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you'll be changing out your headlights on a 2011 Jeep Liberty. It's probably the same for multiple different years of Jeep Liberties. All you gotta do pretty much is come right back here behind, and you'll see right there, this right here is your headlight. All you want to do is just spin it like that, and once you spin it, the bulb should come out just like that, and your bulb will be out. Then all you have to do to disconnect to actually remove the light itself from your harness, you'll see this little red spot right here. Probably just want to pull back on that and then pull. I'm going to show you in a minute. Alright, so once you get the bulb out of the actual socket itself, now to actually remove the bulb, you just want to see that red piece. You want to press down on that like that. So they press that down. Now squeeze that little bottom piece, the green piece. Then once you do that, pull out on your bulb like that and it'll come free. Then once you put your new one in, you just want to take the bulb, stick it in into the opening. Kind of want to line it up. Try not to touch on the light bulb itself, you don't want to get like greases on the bulb. It'll make it burn out. Then once you do that, plug it in and take that little red piece and push it back up, and pretty much you'll be good. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and stick your bulb back into the opening and lock it back in place. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out a headlight bulb on a 2011 Jeep Liberty. Alright, thanks. Please check out other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.